If you're hankering after a smartphone with a notch as a key feature and for it to have S9 in its name, then Leagoo has you covered. Leagoo S9 is an inexpensive smartphone with medium-low range technical features, and it is externally virtually indistinguishable from the iPhone X. It is also equipped with a frameless display that occupies almost the whole front surface, and a small, band-like cutout at the top. At the same time, the device was called S9, as well as the flagship smartphone of the South Korean company Samsung presented recently. Probably, this hybrid should increase sales of Leagoo S9. You will find the glossy material and a vertically aligned dual camera. Like Apple's iPhone X, the camera will most likely, as with many devices in the price range, be just fine. In addition, the smartphone will be equipped with a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. Leagoo S9 mainstream smartphone also saves power. Compete with the support of Octa core processor from MediaTek MT6750 chipset that ran with speed up to 1.5 GHz and supported graphics from Mali T860 MP2. The phone is equipped with 4 GB of RAM memory and 32 GB internal memory, which can be expanded via a micro SD slot. The camera becomes one of Leagoo S9 because of relying on dual rear-facing cameras with 16 megapixel resolution, which is tagged with the same 2 megapixel second camera, as well as reinforced phase detection, autofocus, and LED flash features. Dual camera configuration on the backside is able to present the feature of DSLR camera style bokeh. The Leagoo S9 front camera is also quite adequate for video calls or selfie photos with 8 megapixel lens.